In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show toolbar in Outlook email. If your reply, forward, and formatting buttons have suddenly disappeared in Outlook, don't worry, your toolbar, also known as the ribbon, is most likely just minimized. This is a common behavior designed to give you more screen space, and it's easy to reverse. First, open Classic Outlook on your computer. You'll know you're in the right place if the interface looks familiar, with the traditional tabs like Home, Send, Receive, and View along the top when expanded. If you're seeing a simplified or newer interface, the steps may look a little different, but in Classic Outlook the control we need is always in the same corner. Look to the top right of the Outlook window, near the Minimize button. You'll see a small downward-facing arrow or a ribbon display options icon. Click that. A small menu will appear with choices that control how much of the toolbar you see. To fully restore your toolbar with all the buttons, choose Show Tabs and Commands. This expands both the tabs and all the commands beneath them, bringing back items like Reply, Forward, Format Text options, and more. If you only see an option that mentions Classic Ribbon, selecting that will switch you back from the simplified layout to the full, traditional toolbar you're used to. If your toolbar collapses again later, it may be because of a keyboard shortcut. Pressing Ctrl plus F1 toggles the ribbon between expanded and minimized states. It's easy to hit accidentally while working quickly. If that happens, just use the same arrow menu in the top right to select Show Tabs and Commands again, or press Ctrl plus F1 once more to re-expand it. A quick note on what these options mean: Show Tabs keeps only the tab names visible, which saves space but hides the commands until you click a tab. Show Tabs and Commands displays everything all the time, which is ideal when you want your tools one click away. Classic Ribbon restores the full width, familiar layout if you find yourself in the simplified view. Once you've made your selection, your toolbar should be back, and you can get right back to your email tasks without hunting for buttons. If you prefer more room occasionally, remember you can always collapse it again using the same control, then bring it back when you need it. That's it. Thanks for watching.